create a video to show you how easy it is to send a survey and a performance review right in Microsoft Teams. So all I'd have to do is go onto these three dots, and then I can click on Wrenly, of course. And after that, you can pin Wrenly to your sidebar. So anytime I want access, I just click into this friendly little bird over here. From here, I go ahead and click on surveys, create new survey, and we can click on this template to add a couple of questions in. Every question is super simple to customize and edit. It is tagged with a category so you know what it's related to. This comes in handy for Wrenly's culture score report. More on that later. We'll click choose audience, send to everyone. We can set up a reminder schedule if we like, and we'll go ahead and click a title and a description. Once we're done, we can throw in a GIF just to capture everybody's attention, and we'll click send. And that's it. That survey has been sent. On the bottom right, you're going to see a pop-up any second now. There we are. We can go ahead and see that a survey has been launched. We have one unread notification here and one unread notification here. I'll just show you what that looks like. You can see the survey and go ahead and answer it directly in Microsoft Teams without even needing to leave the environment. For performance reviews, I assure you it is just as simple. All you have to do is go down to performance reviews, create new review. You have landed on this page. You're going to select what type of reviews you want to enable. It can be a peer review. It can be a self-review. It could be an upward review where I review my manager. Or we could even do a direct report review where my manager reviews me. Once we select all these options, we can click continue, and we can just put in some questions into each type of review cycle. You can see that every question is associated with a skill or a competency, and that's how we score everything when we give you the reports. Once you're done, you just go ahead and choose your participants. All your groups would be pre-set up, so you just select your groups. You'll schedule the timeline you want it to go out on, and at the end, you'd review and click send. That again would land inside Microsoft Teams as a message with a notification with reminder schedules, making sure that your team completes this. And then out of this, you're going to get full-blown insights, a micro level for every single employee, where you can see a lot of cool data and their review scores over here. And then you can also see that on macro level, where I can compare employees, teams, managers against one another to understand where performance might be declining. I can even look at it in a 9-box to see who my superstars are and my underperformers. Dive into this in more detail during our demo. Thanks again.